Welcome back, this is Sam. Today we are going to be solving this exponential equation that says 5 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 60. Yeah, if you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Let's go. Okay, so the question is 5 raised to power x minus 2 equal to 60. Now remember our second law of indices that says if you have a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y, this will give you a raised to power x minus y. So the x minus y is an indication of this quotient. So we can apply this law here. So and this can be written as 5 raised to power x divided by 5 raised to power 2 when you have negative like that, so it works like this, equal to 60. Okay, so from here we can cross multiply so that 5 raised to power x equals to 60 multiplied by what we have here is 5 squared, which is 25. Okay, so from here we can introduce logarithms. So let's just add logarithms to both sides. So log 5 raised to power x equals to log, what we have here is 60 multiplied by 25. Okay, remember this law of logarithm that says if you have log a raised to power n, can be written as n log a, that this n can be moved this way. So that's a law of logarithm. So let's apply it here. So this will give us x log 5 equals to log 60 multiplied by 25. And to resolve this also, remember this law of logarithm that says log a multiplied by b equals to log a plus log b. Remember this law also, we're going to apply it here. Okay, so let's just apply it. So x log 5 equals to log 60 plus log 25. So from here we can divide throughout by log 5. Divide throughout by log 5. So let's move up there. So this will cancel this, and then we'll have x equal to log 60 over log 5 plus, watch, this 25 can be written as 5 squared, right, over log 5. So 5 squared is 25, which is this 25. Okay, so this can be written as log 60 over log 5 plus 2 log 5. We're applying the same law again here, so the 2 can be brought down over log 5. So log 5 cancels log 5, and then we have 2 left. But now 60 can also be broken into 5 multiplied by 12, because we're looking at the 5 we have here. So we can break this to log 12 multiplied by 5 for our 60 divided by log 5 plus 2. This 2 is coming from here. Okay, we can apply the same thing we already applied. So this will give us log 12 plus log 5 all over log 5, that's this one, plus 2. And now we can share this log 5 to both of them, so we have separate fractions. So this will give us log 12 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5 plus 2. Okay, So this here 1, log 5, 1. So what we'll have left is log 12 divided by log 5 plus 1 plus 2. And then our answer is, we can do a change of base thing here. So this becomes log 12, log the one up is 12, the one down is 5. So log 12 base 5 plus 3. That's our x. Okay, so I believe this is the answer, but we need to prove it. So let's see if we replace log 12 base 5 plus 3. If we replace it with x in the original equation, let's see if that will give us 60. So let's do a quick check. So check. So let's pick the left hand side with our x replacing, or our log 12 base 5 replacing x. Let's see what it gives us, whether we'll get 60 or not. So what we'll have is 5 raised to power x minus 2. So we want to solve this and see if we'll get 60. So 5 raised to power x itself now is log 12 base 5 plus 3. So this is our x. But now we already have a minus 2 here. So minus 2. So all of this here is our value for x. But we have a minus 2 here. So now let's do everything together. So we have 5 raised to power log 12 base 5 plus 1. Now why is it 1? 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, using the law of indices, we can break these two sides. So it gives us 5 raised to power log 12 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1. Because remember our law of indices, when you multiply same number, you add the powers. And when you add these powers, it gives you this with 5 as the base. Okay. Now, one law of logarithm, which is a law of logarithm that says if you have a number which has a power of log, and the log has a base of the same number, let's say you have x, log x base a is the power of a. So if the bases are equal, you can cancel out, and then your answer is x. So remember this law, and let's apply it here. Since our base, or the number, our base is 5, and the logarithm as its exponent has a base of 5, that can cancel out to give us 12. So here what we have here is 12 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 is 5, and 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. So 60, 60. So our answer is actually log 12 base 5 plus 3. Yeah, I remain El Sam. Kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical